Good morning faves, welcome back to another episode of Fitness Motivation. Today I'll be showing you what I eat in a day. Seeing that so much people has been asking me what I eat to help me lose my weight. Today I'll be showing you real quick what I eat in a day. Bear in mind that I'm filming this today is just what I'm eating today. Not that I eat this every day, but it just give you an idea of what I eat. Bear in mind that I cut out carbohydrates out of my diet completely, which means that I don't eat no flour, no rice, no pasta, no breads, and I cut down on sugar a lot. So what I'll be showing you is a no carb diet. So I'm showing you what I have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And if I do snack, I'm going to show you the option that I would snack on. So right about now, I'm going to show you what I'm going to have for breakfast, which I already have a pot preheated right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tip a little bit of olive oil in here because I am going to be scrambling some eggs. So in this bowl I have 2 eggs, which I add some salt and pepper to. Then I'm just going to throw this in here and scramble it real quick. And for breakfast you can make whatever vegetables you want. You can have your eggs however you want it. Some morning I have my eggs fry as a whole. I would normally have 2. Some mornings I would have my egg boil, whether 2 or 3. It all depends on whatever I feel for. But for now I'm just showing you what I'm eating today. So this is what I feel for this morning. So I'll be having some scrambled eggs, which as you can see I'm scrambling in olive oil. So this is done, and I'm just going to transfer this to a plate really quick. My egg is all done. So with my egg I'm going to add my favorite, which is lettuce. So I'm just gonna add some lettuce right there, and of course I am a tomato babe, so I can't do without my tomatoes, of course. I'm gonna add my tomatoes, my lettuce, and my eggs, and on top of my lettuce I'm going to add a little mixed fruits. And in my mixed fruits I also have raisins. So this is about the amount of fruits that I'm going to add to it, just a semi handful. So this have raisin and almond in it, and some dried pineapples. So that's about it, and that's my breakfast for today. And I'm going to have this with a cup of green tea. For lunch it's going to be just as simple as breakfast. All I'm going to add is, of course, again, my favorite lettuce. And then to my lettuce I'm going to add some corns. And then to my corn and my lettuce I'm going to add some chicken. All I add to my chicken is my favorite Jamaican jerk seasoning and some salt, and that's about it. And I put it in the oven and let it bake for an hour, and I have this chicken to last me for about 3 days until I bake another set. So that's about it for lunch. If I'm going to snack between lunch, breakfast, and dinner, all I would have is an apple. And I'll drink a lot of water, and that's about it. Then I'm going to be making a salmon salad, and all I'm going to do is just throw some olive oil into my pot that is already been preheated, and I'm just going to place my salmon in there and let them fry. Here I have my salmon. All I put on my salmon, I'm not a fussy person, all I put on my salmon is salt and pepper. So for my vegetables, it's just simple. These are 3 things that I love to eat on a daily basis. So all I'm going to put in my salad is some tomatoes, lettuce, and some carrots. I'm just going to grate this carrot real quickly, and then I just create my salad with it and wait on my salmon. And there you have it, guys. That's as simple as it gets. That's my dinner for tonight. And I will not eat this with any dressings or sauce or whatever the case may be. I'm just going to have it just as it is. And remember that you can use any vegetables that you wish. I just don't opt for any carbs, and I just love lettuce, tomatoes and carrots. So at some point in my day I eat one of these at least 2 times for the day. So this is what my dinner look like for tonight. So there you have it, guys. That gives you an idea of what I eat in a day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it will help somebody. Remember that you can eat whatever vegetable you want. You can jazz it up however you want it if you're going for a no carb diet. But I'm a huge fan of simple vegetables, so I don't do all the craziness. But you can steam your vegetable, you can have it raw, however you wish to have your breakfast, lunch and dinner. I'm just giving you an idea of what I eat to help me with my weight loss, and it has been working for me. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and join the family, join the journey, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.